Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to temporarily rotate and flip a video in VLC Media Player. Open VLC Media Player on your PC. Open the video file that you would like to rotate. In the top menu bar, click on the Tools option. Select Effects and Filters from the drop-down menu. Go to the Video Effects tab. Go to the sub-tab of Video Effects that says Geometry. Click on the checkbox beside the text that says Transform. Select how you want to rotate the video using the drop-down menu. Uncheck the box beside the text that says Transform. Now click on the checkbox beside the text that says Rotate. Move the angle dialer around as per your requirement. Your video will be rotated by certain arbitrary degree. Please note that this rotation setting is saved in the player, and when you open a new video, it will still be rotated. You will have to come to this section again and uncheck the boxes to disable rotation for playing other videos. This is how you can temporarily rotate and flip a video in VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching.